Hello, pals. Welcome back. My name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use YouTube proper. All right. Um, this guy is who we are going to be discussing. This guy right here called Search. Yeah, so many people actually make it of search bar, but not using it properly the right way it's supposed to be used. So, in order to break that down, I'm going to show you guys how to use the YouTube search properly, the right way. Now, all we need to do is just to search a keyword which we want or a keyword that interests us, which is actually how, or let me say, making money on YouTube. Although we have already seen that. So let's go ahead and click on it, making money on YouTube. Okay, now we are seeing making money on YouTube, but actually, there is more to it. When you scroll down, you could actually notice, although this is an advert, how to create a free blog, and this is also this is the real thing right here. So you can actually start looking here how to make $100,000 on YouTube. Three ways. You can notice when it was published 2 months ago. This is right. This was published 9 months ago. 5 ways to make money on YouTube, which is actually wrong. And when you also scroll down, you see 4 years, 1 year, although this is how to make money on Instagram. This is Facebook. And you do notice most of them are irrelevant. 3 months, a year, how to create a YouTube channel and earn money 1 year ago. Okay, the reason why I said most of these are irrelevant is because YouTube actually updated a new YouTube policy for the partnership program just January, so which is actually not up to 6 months, I think, when you calculate. So currently we are in May, so definitely this is not right. This is a month ago, fine, but is that video right? No, I don't think so. She's also a beginner, so definitely she might not be all that good. And then this video is supposed to be right, but since it says 1 year ago, is not actually accurate. So if you are following up most of these guys' rule, you are going to be misled. So I did advise you to actually come over here and use YouTube proper. Now, in order to make use of YouTube, you need to, in order to take advantage of the search properties, you need to click on this particular option called filter. Go ahead and click on the drop down button to watch it drop down. And you can notice that there are several things here. It says from uploaded date, type, duration, feature, and sort by. And on your device, you do see sort by, upload date, view count, and so you could actually take advantage of all these features right here. So I could actually say last hour to see a particular keyword making money on YouTube in the last hour, and then you can notice it's giving me an irrelevant result right here and another irrelevant result right here, and when you scroll down, another irrelevant result. And so far I don't think I've seen anything to making money on YouTube. So now I can explain the reason why it's giving us an irrelevant result right now. The reason why it's giving this result is just because within the last hour, no one has uploaded anything of how to make money on YouTube or making money on YouTube. So definitely it's just going to find, and once it couldn't find it, it's just going to look for anything relating to making money and just drop for you. Okay. Now all you need to do is just to increase your upload date. Now let's change it to today. Let's see how that goes, if we're going to get any particular result. Okay, fine. We actually got one which is uploaded in 12 hours. It uploaded 12 hours ago, and this says how we spend money on YouTube Sunday with Sarah. How we earn money on YouTube actually. So it's still the same thing in how to make money on YouTube. So definitely it actually got it as our result. And this is also another one that says how to make dollar on YouTube, Tiga Heli. And then you can notice the date it was uploaded 8 hours ago. Now, when you scroll down, you can still see some results which are accurate. But then there is still another thing we can do with our filter to actually get more results. You could actually say this week also to get the best out of it. Now you notice our result changes a little bit. I think FM is still at the top, and the other guy went away. The other guy with the award, and we are seeing different faces here. So let's go ahead and hit this option and select for this month and see our results for this month. Okay, you can notice we get more results, more different results from the previous one, and some of them at the top are going away and being replaced with a different one. Okay, now let's go back to the top and select a different one also, which is going to be for this year, which is actually also accurate anyway. It's also accurate in a way. So we could actually notice this our guys coming in, and you can still see we are still getting good results. So far we're getting better results, better. And then I think this is also okay. Now we could actually make this filter look more interesting and to look more accurate. So you could actually select the type if you are going for a video channel, playlist, or a movie. But actually want to leave it at this because on default is on video or movie. And then it could actually give us this particular option. We can see we want a video that is as short as 4 minutes. And let's see what that does. Now you can see how to make money on YouTube in Hindu. 6 months ago, 8 months ago, they are all this year. How to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube. And all you need to notice is that their time is as minimum as 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. You wouldn't see anyone that exceeds 4 minutes. Can you see that? Huh? Okay, hopefully you've seen that. So now in order to make our search more accurate, we could also select HD and HDR. I think most of the videos are in HD, so let's select HDR and see how that works for us. Okay, you can also notice it changed. Now we don't have any video that says how to make money on YouTube in HDR, so definitely it's being replaced with NFS playback. I think these are all gamers. So you can see it only gave us 4 results. Now we can see how late YouTube goes. Now let's go ahead and select HD and see. I think most videos are in HD, so it's going to give us more results in HD. Okay, no result in HD. You know what? Let's just go back. Let's just go back and remove it. And once you want to remove a particular option, just go ahead and select. Um, just go ahead and select this particular option right here, the X button right there. It's going to remove anything you've selected random. And I think the previous setting actually maneuver. So let me go ahead and refresh my browser, and then let's continue to where we stopped at. All right, now we can see our fish so right here. So this here is selected. 4 minutes selected. Let's say upload date. No result for upload date. So now let's go ahead and select view count. So it's actually going to give us result for view count. But because HT is still selected and all that, it's not showing up. So actually hope this video helped you guys. Make sure you learn how to search your YouTube proper, and enjoy your YouTube searching and understanding how to use your search keyword properly. So you can see that this year view count. So you could actually select multiple option and it gives you good result. So if this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, leave a comment below. And if you also have any question you want to request for any video or anything you're getting confused on, just make sure you leave your comment or send me an email. All right, thanks for watching.